Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi.
And my name's Kennedy.
And let's dream about beauty. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a Sephora box and
a Boxycharm
Premium. Yep. So if you're interested in seeing what we got from Sephora and what we got from Boxycharm Premium this month, then just keep on watching.
Right. So in the Boxycharm Premium, we've got Milk Makeup.
It says on the back.
Glow Oil Lip and Cheek.
It's like a mini.
Very nice raspberry color.
Remember, you can like twist it up a bit. That makes it easier to get off. You taught me that. Wrong way. You twisted it the wrong way.
Technical difficulties. Yes. Just
very sheer.
Very build it up or blend it out.
Yeah, don't bother putting the thingy back on. So yeah, so that's the Milk Makeup. What is it called now?
Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Oil.
Glow Oil for lip and cheek. It says a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. Oops, maybe I should get that in frame. Oh, and that's what it looks like.
Okay, next we have a Kat Von D Inkwell Liner, Longwear Matte Eyeliner in shade Dark Wave. This bottle is very nice. Let's put more on my hand.
Does it say Kat Von D on it or KVD on the other side?
KVD.
Yeah, it says KVD, but on the box it says Kat Von D. I don't know, I think they were still in the process of rebranding.
Yeah. So, I find it quite watery.
Yeah, it bleeds. Like, show them the splotch there.
The first splotch was very bleedy, and then after it kind of...
Did you shake it?
Yeah.
Before you use it? Yeah. So I don't know. Let's see how this is. I'm happy to have a new blue liner, because that would be nice.
Yeah, just gotta shake it real good.
Yeah. Shake it real good.
And then kind of dab the excess off.
Yeah.
Okay, next we have Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Butter Lip Balm. Can never have too many lip balms. Oh, yeah, this is the huge card.
Such pretty packaging.
Rose.
I feel like just displaying that, not even using it.
And it smells lovely.
Yeah. So that's from Tarte Best Bud, and it's in the shade Peony.
Okay, next we have Battington brush set. So there is a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. And there's gold handles, and they're very soft.
It says the manufacturer's suggested retail price on those brushes is $90.
They're very nice.
Brush. What does it say about them? It says this is the card that came with it. It said this high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. Well, this is cool because I certainly need a new contour brush. So that's good. And just so you know, the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek was the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $15. the Tarte Sugar Rush was $12 and the KVD Vegan Beauty Inqua Liquid Liner was $20. Also, so we got the Smashbox, some Smashbox Photo Edit eyeshadow trio. However, we did open this yesterday. Sorry, we cheated. And I gave it to her, so she took it. Sorry.
We have Too Faced Natural Matte eyeshadow. And I love this. It's
Very nice packaging. Pretty happy with the premium box this month. I think we got some good stuff.
very nice. So just some very nice mattes. Very good daily.
So now I've got the Natural Eyes and then also the Natural Eyes Matte. So that'll work well together.
I love how it's kind of almost like a clear thing over top.
Yeah, the packaging is beautiful.
So yes, that is Boxycharm for you.
So just to recap, we got a small, it's a small circular Smashbox trio eyeshadow. We got the liquid eyeliner in blue. Brush set.
Lip balm. And a cheek and lip oil. And an eyeshadow palette.
Yay! Okay, so that's it for Boxycharm. Now for the good stuff, Sephora.
She's got lots of clue what this. I have no clue what possibly be in this.
I ordered this like 2.5 weeks ago, so shipping is really taking quite a long time.
Close your eyes and reach in. First, Briogeo. Be kind and gentle. Match an apple replenishing superfood shampoo. Ooh. That sounds lovely on this one. It smells like apples. And I'll be very happy. Ooh.
Mmm. Smells like green apple sourpuss.
Next we have the matching, kale and apple replenishing superfood conditioner. It's like a nice pale green color. Matching conditioner.
We should smell this one too.
Yes, I agree. I liked the banana one, but I don't take the smell.
Yeah. Well, I know that this was on some people's favorites for a while, and
I'm not really liking my shampoo and conditioner.
And so I thought I would give it a try, and I got it.
Here.
It's part of my Mother's Day gift. There. These things are hard to get off. It's like little thingies at the top.
It's like a mix between apple sourpuss and like an apple Jolly Rancher.
Mmm, yeah.
Oh, it smells very good.
I'm looking forward to washing my hair again.
to bathe in that.
I guess you get to use it first because you'll be probably washing your hair today.
Yes, 'cause it's a greasy mess. Then we have Becca Ignite Liquefied Light Highlighter. Mini-sized sample sizes. And there's 3 different shades.
Cool.
And then we have Killian perfume sample. Fun things always happen after sunset. After sunset.
Is that true? Do
don't
fun
know.
things always happen after sunset?
You tell me.
I don't know. I've had fun around a pool before. In the daytime.
I might steal this from you. I love good tea.
Mmm. This is an interesting.
Kind of smells like the Hudson's Bay.
Oh, sorry about that. The battery died. I didn't even notice it was flashing. We were having so much fun unboxing.
So next we have Gucci Flora perfume. I use the Gucci Bloom perfume, and it's my favorite. The box of this is just
So pretty.
exquisite. Let's give this a sniff. Just really rub it in there. I love the Gucci things that smell like flowers. So next, we've got.
Da 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 da!
I'll give you one of the honors because it's your mother's stickers.
ABH Novena collection. This is the Novena Pro Pigment Palette, Volume 4.
It's got a separate little thing. Box and box and box.
Oh, I love this color pink so much.
What toy goes with this?
I know. Oh, I probably won't even fit in there. Okay.
Maybe I should like Anastasia.
Sorry, I'm trying to
Heels.
open it without. Oh, there we go. Okay. I gotta figure it out. So. Oh, Jesus. There. Oh.
Oh, angel singing.
That's what she looks like. Beautiful.
Wow. That mirror though. That's a lovely mirror.
Perfect. There's so many good shades in here.
A1, A2, A3. High definition mirror. That's lovely. The packaging is wonderful.
Just one last look at it. It's so pretty. So I should have a look up on my channel on Friday with this. And today we're filming this on Wednesday. So that is everything that we have. That's Boxycharm and Sephora. So I hope that you enjoyed watching. Time is our most precious resource, and when you spend a little bit of your time with
Us.
we really appreciate it. I hope wherever in the world you are
Happy
healthy,
and
well.
I always forget. I was going to say blessed, but
Blessed is a good one. You could say that too.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be the same one every time.
and just straight vibe.
Vibing. I really appreciate you coming by and checking out our content. I hope that you will consider subscribing, liking, activating the notification bell,
And commenting down below.
that is it from us for today.
Yeah.
So take care and bye-bye. You're such a natural at this.
Thank you.
Do you want to have that perfume?
I'm putting it in my pocket.
Teenagers.